If you're wondering how to set up Mailchimp and Google Analytics together, you're in the right place. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to integrate these two powerful tools to boost your email marketing and track your campaign results more effectively. Let's jump straight in. First, let's talk about setting up Mailchimp. The first thing you'll need to do is sign up for a Mailchimp account if you haven't already. Once you're in, head over to the Audience tab. If you don't have an audience yet, create one and import your contacts. Make sure all your contacts are properly segmented, as this helps with sending targeted emails later. Next, navigate to the Campaigns tab and create a new campaign. This is where you'll build your email, whether it's a regular campaign, an automated series, or even a social media ad. Add your subject line, email content, and design it with Mailchimp's easy drag and drop editor. Once you're happy with it, you'll be ready to set it live, but we'll get to tracking this later using Google Analytics. Now, let's move on to integrating Google Analytics with Mailchimp. The good news is Mailchimp makes this easy. Go to the Campaigns tab and create or edit your campaign. In the campaign setup, you'll see an option to enable Google Analytics tracking. Toggle this on and Mailchimp will automatically append UTM tracking tags to your email links. This will allow you to see how your email traffic performs in Google Analytics. The next thing you'll need to do is link your Google Analytics account. If you haven't set up Google Analytics yet, you'll want to create a Google Analytics account, then get your tracking code and paste it in your website's header. Make sure you're tracking the right events on your website, things like page views, signups, and purchases. This way, you'll be able to see the full journey of users coming from your email campaigns. Next, once your Mailchimp campaign is sent, head over to your Google Analytics account. Here, you'll be able to view the traffic driven by your email campaigns under the Acquisition section. Look under All Traffic and then Source/Medium. You'll see Mailchimp as the source, and from here, you can analyze metrics like bounce rates, page views, and conversions. This is where the real magic happens. You'll see how effective your email campaigns are and where you might need to adjust your strategy. The fourth thing to check after your campaign runs for a while is your Mailchimp reports. Here, Mailchimp gives you detailed insights into open rates, click-through rates, and unsubscribe rates, which are valuable metrics. Cross-reference this with Google Analytics to understand the full impact of your campaign. Did high open rates lead to better website engagement, or did certain links in the email drive more conversions? Lastly, you can continuously refine your strategy. Both Mailchimp and Google Analytics provide ongoing data to tweak your approach and make your campaigns even more effective. If you see high engagement but low conversions, it might be a sign to improve your landing page or call to action. Remember, integrating Mailchimp with Google Analytics gives you a powerful way to track and optimize your email marketing strategy. Before we wrap up, I want to remind you that you can use both of these tools for free. Just click the first link below to get access to exclusive bonuses and a free trial. Don't miss out on this opportunity to level up your email marketing and tracking. By setting up Mailchimp and Google Analytics together, you'll be able to take control of your data and make informed decisions about your marketing efforts. Thanks for watching, and be sure to use the link below to start your extended free trial today.